You're using Grammarly AI writing assistant completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of editing time every single day. I'm about to show you the hidden pro features that most users never discover, plus the exact workflow that professional writers use to cut their editing time by 70%. Most people think Grammarly is just a spell checker with fancy colors. They install the browser extension, see those red and blue underlines, click accept on suggestions, and call it a day. But you're missing the most powerful features that separate amateur writing from professional content. According to Grammarly's official documentation, pro users access over 40 advanced writing insights that the basic version doesn't even touch. Here's the real problem. You're probably writing in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, letting Grammarly catch errors as you go, then wondering why your writing still sounds robotic and unprofessional. The Pro version has a completely different approach that transforms how you write from the ground up. First, open the Grammarly editor directly. Don't use the browser extension for serious writing. Navigate to the Grammarly web app and click New Document. This unlocks the full Pro interface that most users never see. The editor dashboard gives you real-time writing statistics, tone analysis, and engagement scoring that you can't access anywhere else. Now here's where it gets interesting. Click on Goals in the left sidebar. This is your writing command center. Select your audience type, formality level, domain, tone, and intent. According to recent Grammarly Pro updates, this Goals feature uses advanced AI to customize every single suggestion specifically for your writing context. Writing a casual blog post requires completely different language than a formal business proposal, and the AI adjusts accordingly. Set your document type to match what you're actually creating. Click the audience drop-down and select general, knowledgeable, or expert based on who's reading your content. The suggestions change dramatically. For the same sentence, expert audience settings will preserve technical language while general audience settings will suggest simpler alternatives. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you don't want to miss these advanced workflows that save professionals hours every week. Now let's dive into the features that justify the Pro subscription. Open the Clarity section in the right panel. This isn't just basic grammar checking. The Pro version identifies wordy sentences, passive voiceover use, and unclear antecedents. But here's the secret most users miss. Click on each suggestion to see the detailed explanation. Grammarly Pro doesn't just tell you what to change, it explains why the change improves your writing. The engagement panel is pure gold for content creators. This feature analyzes your word choice and sentence variety to predict how engaging your writing will be for readers. According to Grammarly's engagement algorithms, varied sentence length and active voice increase reader retention by up to 35%. The engagement score updates in real time as you edit, so you can watch your writing improve instantly. Here's a Pro feature that most users completely overlook. Click on the Delivery tab in the right sidebar. This section includes tone detection that goes way beyond basic sentiment analysis. The AI identifies confidence level, formality, optimism, and even courtesy in your writing. If you're writing marketing copy, you want confident and optimistic tones. For customer service emails, courtesy and formality scores matter more. The Brand Tones feature is exclusive to Pro users and it's absolutely game-changing for businesses. Click Brand Tones in the left menu and create custom style guides. Upload sample content that represents your brand voice, and Grammarly AI learns your specific writing patterns. Every suggestion will align with your established brand personality. This feature alone saves marketing teams dozens of hours in revision cycles. Now let's talk about the plagiarism checker that's built directly into Pro. Click the Plagiarism tab at the bottom of your document. This isn't just academic plagiarism detection. The Pro version checks against web content, published articles, and academic databases to ensure your content is completely original. For content creators and businesses, this feature prevents costly copyright issues before publication. The Advanced Suggestions panel reveals Pro's true power. Unlike basic Grammarly that focuses on spelling and grammar, Pro analyzes sentence structure, word choice precision, and readability optimization. Click on Conciseness Suggestions to eliminate unnecessary words that weaken your message. The formality suggestions help you match your writing style to your audience expectations perfectly. Here's a workflow that professional copywriters use religiously. Write your first draft with all Grammarly suggestions turned off. Focus purely on getting ideas down. Then enable pro suggestions and work through them systematically. Start with correctness issues, move to clarity improvements, then tackle engagement and delivery suggestions. This prevents the AI from interrupting your creative flow while ensuring your final draft is polished. The Premium Statistics dashboard tracks your writing improvement over time. Access this through the Performance tab in your account settings. You'll see weekly writing scores, most common error types, vocabulary diversity metrics, and productivity statistics. According to user data from Grammarly's performance reports, writers who actively review these statistics improve their baseline writing quality by 40% within 3 months. Pro users get access to genre-specific writing guides through the Resources section. Click Resources in the main menu and select Writing Guides. These aren't generic writing tips. Grammarly Pro provides detailed style recommendations for business communication, creative writing, academic papers, and technical documentation. Each guide includes example text with annotation showing why specific word choices and sentence structures work better for that genre. The Browser Extension Pro features extend way beyond basic document checking. In Gmail, Pro users see tone adjustments and formality suggestions before sending emails. The LinkedIn integration provides engagement optimization for posts and professional messaging. Even in social media platforms, Pro suggests hashtag strategies and audience-appropriate language adjustments. Here's an advanced pro tip that transforms your editing workflow. Enable the Writing Assistant sidebar in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, but customize which suggestion types appear. Go to Extension Settings and turn off basic spelling suggestions if you're a strong writer. Focus the AI on advanced style, tone, and engagement improvements. This reduces notification fatigue while highlighting suggestions that actually improve your writing quality. The Mobile App Pro features deserve special mention. Download Grammarly Keyboard for iOS or Android and enable Pro suggestions. This brings advanced writing assistance to text messages, social media posts, and email composition on mobile devices. The mobile AI provides context-aware suggestions that understand whether you're writing casually to friends or professionally to colleagues. For teams and businesses, Grammarly Business adds collaborative features on top of Pro functionality. Multiple team members can share brand style guides, review writing statistics across the organization, and maintain consistent voice across all communications. The admin dashboard provides writing analytics that help identify training opportunities and measure communication effectiveness. Remember, the goal isn't to accept every suggestion blindly. Pro's advanced explanations help you understand writing principles so you make better choices independently. Each suggestion includes detailed reasoning, alternative options, and context about when to apply specific changes. This educational approach improves your natural writing ability over time. The key to maximizing Grammarly Pro is treating it as a writing coach rather than just an error correction tool. Set specific goals for each document, review the AI's reasoning for suggestions, and track your improvement through the performance metrics. This approach transforms mechanical editing into strategic writing development. With these advanced Pro features and workflows, you'll write with the precision of professional editors and the efficiency of AI-powered optimization. Your content will be clearer, more engaging, and perfectly matched to your audience expectations. That's how you navigate your tech journey with confidence, turning advanced AI tools into competitive advantages that elevate everything you write. Subscribe for more advanced tutorials that unlock the hidden power of your favorite productivity tools.